Yo guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video we're going to be doing some more Geometry Dash. Now, sorry if it's been a while, is because I had done a 10 kilometre walk at school, which I'm still only just fucking covered, and I've also done a major achievement in my eyes. I finally beat Jumper, which made me really happy, but we've got something good today. At least we can open one chest. So yeah, that's what we get. Oh shit. Yay. Anyway, in this episode we're not going to be focusing on doing Blood Shower. I actually had it deleted. I don't know why. So we're just going to play some random levels. Hopefully I don't get copyright, so I'm not going to download music. Let's just choose random number. 426, go to page 426. Now I'm only going to do the ones with orbs. Sorry, any levels without orbs. It's only because I do get rewards from it. I don't know why there's this like red and white bar around my screen. I don't know why. Sight line. Okay. I also won't be able to get really far in the level, so yeah. Holy crap! I have one more attempt. This is like the oh, that's like some of the levels like Power Trip from Sub-Zero. Next one, you have Diamond Temple. It's a normal. Someone's shouting outside. I don't know why. Yeah, sorry if my mouse is really loud. It's not my mum. Actually, on second thought, I might not play this level just because literally it's going 1 frame a second. Flag Clipper. Okay, it's a demon, so yeah, guys. In the comments below, tell me how screwed I am. Yeah, am I screwed or am I screwed? Let's see. I'm screwed. Actually, I want to see how far I can get. The fuck? Yeah. Go die. Golden Hope. Now, don't worry what I'm doing right now. This is all. I do this all the time. I've played hundreds of levels in my time. There's billions out there, probably. Okay, we might leave that till later. Sorry, guys, I was just having a drink. I do drink energy drinks, by the way. Yeah, you got harder level. Yay! Let's just make it a bit easier. I've got unload the intel mode because, you know, game time. More like time to play game. What is new? It's not working. Okay, you die. Let's go to drafty. Oh no, that's a bit drafty. Your trousers, boy. I'm going a bit crazy. That's a nice opening, actually. Yeah. No! I wanted that high detail so I could do that. That's pretty sick level so far. I know everyone's going to say in the comments that I should always try and complete a level, but suck your nan if you say so. So yeah. Yeah, don't listen to anything that I'm currently saying because it makes no sense whatsoever. Also, go subscribe to the most amazing person 156721. He's one of my best mates. Go subscribe to him. He does Duke Nukem and he might do a few other things. Because currently he he's doing really well. Well, he's got 4 subs right now. Go subscribe to him. Tell your mates and that to go subscribe to me because I need friends. Yeah, he's one of my only friends. That's why it's really hard now. Nope. Go on to the next level. Stalemate. This game will become a stalemate in a second. It's going to be 1,000 levels called stalemate. And there's literally going to be one level that's literally stale bread. Wait, how's it doing that good? I was literally guessing then. Yeah. Yeah, never ending travel. I wonder what's an extra large dick. Oh, don't do that. The Raven 717. Na 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 na. Yeah, go subscribe to Raising 717 as well. He doesn't know me, but yeah, he has stopped doing Geometry Dash, sadly. Go ask him to do Geometry Dash and tell him I was the one to tell you guys to do it. So he just gets really pissed off. I'm just gonna have another drink. I'm waiting. Oh fuck. What the hell? Wait, am I 6% only? No. That'll take me an entire video to complete. Okay, we'll do one more, which is hope. And we're gonna have 2 seconds on it. Okay, let's count. 2. 1, 2. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed Nana. I'm actually gonna try because this level generally looks quite cool. It looks like one of them hacker levels. Fuck. This is like a really short long, if you know what I mean. There's them longs which are like 1 minute long. I hate saying long now. Other than if it's about dick. Okay. Boing, boing. Okay. So guys, I hope you enjoyed. That was episode 2 of Geometry Dash. This definitely is going to become a series because I actually enjoy this. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe, and most of all, peace out.